Welcome to Linux Help. How to use AMD answering machine detection on Asterisk on Oracle Linux 9.3. This application attempts to detect an answering machine based on the timing patterns. This application is usually used by outbound calls originating from either call files or the Asterisk Manager Interface. This application sets the AMD status variable is set to one of the following to show what type of call was detected. First, check the OS version by using the following command. The OS version of the Oracle Linux is 9.3. Check the status of the asterisk by using the following command. The asterisk service is running and active. Next, move to the asterisk directory by using the following command. Edit the extensions.conf file by using the following command. Add the following content. Go to the asterisk CLI mode by using the following command. Reload the dial plan by using the following command. Now make a call from 168 to 167 by using the Zoiper and MicroSIP software. Now call 168 to 167. Now the call is working. Now exit from the asterisk CLI mode by using the following command. This is the path of AMD.conf file where we edit the AMD configuration by using the following command. This is the process to use AMD answering machine detection on Asterisk on Oracle Linux 9.3.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.